When they say the lights will inspire you, it's so true. Dito ko na-feel na wait, di dapat ako iiyak. Seeing the city lights, guys, dito ko mas nare-realize that hard work really pays off. And I think we all have to tell ourselves that we are meant for greater things. Hello guys! This is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler, at nandito tayo ngayon sa New York. New York, the most populous city in the US and one of the most visited cities in the world. So for today's video, observation deck experience. Kasi paggabi na guys, syempre isa sa mga gusto kong gawin dito ay makita yung New York skyline at night or even sunset. So binook natin yung activity natin guys via Klook. Iko-comment ko yung link sa baba. You can use my promo code DaveGinoClook para maka-discount kayo. Hindi lang para sa activity na ito, kundi sa mga activities, tours, hotels, at iba pa na pwede nyong mabook sa Klook kung mag-travel kayo in the Philippines, abroad. Baka na rin activated na yung Agoda code ko pag ma-upload ko na yung vlog na to, Dave Agoda. Okay? Kung doon kayo mag-book ng hotel. Ay, ito na. So, ito na guys. Let's go ang tayog niya. Ito na yun. One Vanderbilt. Tara. Pasok tayo.
Hello. Are you looking for Summit?
Yes.
Gotta go around the corner, Grand Century.
Here?
Yes.
Ito guys. Feeling ko naramdaman niyang we're looking for the Summit. Ito na yon. Ay. So, dito yung pasok. Grand Central Terminal. Ito guys, Summit. Dito na nga lang tayo. 5:30 yung schedule natin guys. Ay wait, mali tayo ng binabaan. Dito. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Ngalag na si Akla. Hindi pa gumagana yung escalator. Paakyat no? Napakasyunga mo Dave. Napakasyunga. Pero exercise. Kanina pa tayo lakad ang lakad. Wait. Tara. Ito na guys yung pila. Alright. We made it guys. It is 5:36 p.m. Medyo late tayo ng 5 minutes pero okay pa naman. Nakita ko sa voucher, caring magantay, kaya tayong papasukin kahit until 20 minutes late. Okay? Yan yung hangganan, 20 minutes late. And may pa-wifi sila. So ito, may bibigay na strap sa inyo. Okay, pagpakita nyo ng voucher from Klook, bibigay sa inyo to. Ito yung unang hinihingi ng nagbabantay before kayo pumila here, okay? Haba ng pila guys. Wild. Pero, ayun, kasi nga ito daw yung best na observation deck dito sa New York for perspective. Tayo ng next na papasok. Anong oras na ba? 5:52 p.m. So, pumasok tayo guys, mga 5:35.
New York City is entering a new era of transportation. New York has always been about change. But this part of town was stuck in the past. This building broke boundaries, redefining what is possible.
Binigyan tayo ng shoe cover. Need guys, lagyan ng cover yung ating mga sapatos.
I really appreciate what. I got it.
It's an experience guys. Look.
Guys, be quiet. Okay,
Ingin na magkasama ko. Oh wow! Guys, ang ganda! Wait! New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. gumawa lang sariling background music. There's nothing you can do, New York. This is so breathtaking. The iconic New York skyline. Ang ganda. Kakaiyak. Appreciate lang natin when they say the lights will inspire you. It's so true. Ang ganda. Kanina pa ako uhaw na uhaw, guys. And one of the best things, may libreng tubig, may pa-fountain pa, tapos may dispenser. So, napawi ang ating uhaw, finally. Tapos of course, may toilet. Kapag sa mga ganito, guys, na may toilet, sulitin natin yung toilet. Kasi kulang yung public toilet dito sa New York. Totoo yung chismis, pati sa CR. Ang ganda ng view. Wild. It feels surreal na nandito tayo mismo sa harap ng Empire State Building. Kanina pa ako nagmumuni dito, guys. Nayak na naman ako. Surreal. Favorite word ko yung surreal. Napaka-OA ni bakla. Ba't ako naiiyak? Pero nayak na naman ako. Kanina ito yung mga nasa isip ko habang nagko-contemplate. Yung New York, it's not perfect. Although it's not perfect, it symbolizes our big dreams. Who would have thought na makakarating tayo dito, guys? Di naman tayo mayaman. From Tacloban, parang never kong naisip before na actually makapag-travel ako. As a small town boy from the province, feeling ko ngayon, kahit papaano, nagpipay off yung hard work natin as a person. Yun. Ano ba yan? Dito sa New York, with this view na city lights, dito ko mas na-feel na nagpipay off finally yung hard work natin. Although alam ko marami pa akong bigas na kakainin. Pero this is one of the, I think, manifestations that dreams do come true. When you dream big or work hard for it, not just dream. Yung sipag natin sa trabaho and other stuff outside work, it pays off. And yung pangangarap natin ng malaki, guys, when we dream big, it also motivates us to work harder. Dapat may kasama ding hard work. Alam kong marami pa akong bigas sa kakainin. In this trip, my dreams have just become bigger. Gusto ko pang makapag-travel more. Sabi pa nga sa kanta, if we make it to New York, we can make it anywhere. Itong tip natin, na-realize ko na kaya ko maging matapang. Kasi narating natin yung New York. Again, it's a big city. And I think we all have to tell ourselves that we are meant for greater things. When we dream, nagkakaroon tayo ng motivation to just keep going and achieve greater things in life. And nasa era ko ng buhay ko na just live life to the fullest because we only live once. Ayo guys, ano yung mga pangarap nyo sa buhay? Kung may top 3 dreams kayo, ano yung top 3 dreams na to? At bakit? Comment down below. So dito guys, masayang magmuni kasi tingnan mo naman, totoo yung ma-inspire ka sa lights. Ganda. Totoo guys, yung kanta ni Alicia Keys. This is the concrete jungle where the dreams are made of. Oh. May mga installation here. And then look, ito yung interactive stuff. Wow.
Sorry.
Amazing. Kung interactive lang naman ang labanan, ito na yun guys. Oh, aesthetic. Tapos with that view. Chrysler building. Hey. It's one of my favorite experiences dito sa New York. So yung Empire State Building, that was once the tallest building in the world. Alright. Pasara na pala sila, masyado tayong nag-enjoy sa unang spot. Pero okay lang, kasi I think yun yung pinakamagandang spot. Mas feels nga doon. Dito cafe na lang siya. Sa baba kasi parang level mo lang yung Empire State Building. Pero ayan yung Empire State Building, oh. So ito guys, yung last floor. Cafe na lang siya. So check natin yung prices para may idea kayo. So may $9, may $8, may, ayun, medyo mahal-mahal, $14, $15. Ay, it's okay. Thank you. You're so good. Talagang nag-give siya sa atin para makita natin yung prices. $5. Ano yan? Birthday cake cookies. Kung gusto mag-stock dito, 400 to 500 pesos para makain kayo dito ng pastries, okay? Meron silang ano guys dito terrace, but it's closed because of the snow daw. Dito sa taas, masyado na siyang mataas for the city lights. Mas appreciate ko siya talaga sa baba. Tara! And here, kung nagpa-picture kayo, mga souvenir. Then ito, 70. Kano kayang 70? 70 ay 4,000 pesos. Siyempre, sa mga ganito, yung last stop talaga ay mga pampasalubong para mas kumita pa sila sa atin. Ito pa guys, yung iba nilang souvenir. $7. Sana yan, mga 400? And of course, yung mga displays, $28. So yan guys yung Chrysler Building. It's the first super tall skyscraper in the world. Yan. Grabe yung New York, no? It's known for the firsts in terms of tallest buildings. Ganda din. Ganda din sa area na to. Subway na naman as guys. So ayun, share ko lang sa inyo. Nasa 91st, 92nd, and 93rd floors yung observation decks. Saya naman sa mga napanood kong vlogs at mga TikTok vids, sa mga nabasa ko din online, sa Reddit, pinakamaganda daw talaga sa lahat ng observation decks kasi meron ding observation deck yung One World Trade Center, tapos yung Empire State Building, meron pang Top of the Rock, may The Edge pa. Pero, syempre, pinag-isipan ko ng maayos. Ang nag-resonate sa akin lang naman, ay yung The Summit. Mistake daw, guys, yung pipiliin nyo yung Empire State Building as an observation deck. Kasi, yung Empire State Building, that's the view. So, never do, sightseeing sa gabi from an observation deck sa Empire State Building. Maganda guys yung view from the summit. Kita nyo naman, diba? Ang ganda. Kung kayo guys ay magpupunta dito sa New York, and I hope makapunta kayo dito sa New York in this lifetime, ano siya talaga? Hindi siya perfect, pero it will make our dreams bigger kasi hindi madali makapunta dito. Ayun. Sakay na tayo guys ng subway. This is Dave, the Kudipo Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!